I guess it's too much for some of you guys to handle. But, we're gonna do in this delusion. Break the Genjutsu. Just break it. And you'll see. Slavery never ended. See, when you're between the world of the living and the dead, there's things, spirits can see that man can't. And I'm like, oh, I see. Slavery never ended. You're too busy explaining what's going on, talking about police brutality. But you gotta understand. Slavery never ended. Get it? I'll say it again, so you guys really comprehend what the fuck I'm saying. Slavery never ended. It never ended. It never ended. Slavery never ended.